and we started the trip. We're heading over. I'm going to show you guys how a business trip within China looks like. So stay ahead. Hello.
I'm out here on the road. You can hear a little voice. Still get this shit off them. Look. The money speaking for itself. I call it fortune
tell. Train station.
5 top from
ready for the trip. So we're about 2 hours out from getting to Shenzhen. So we're getting to Shenzhen in 5 minutes. And we're out.
I just want all of the money.
Here, waiting for Didi. Didi is the Chinese name for Uber. So we're out here. And the Didi will be here, and then we can head out. So we're at the hotel. Grab on. It's 9 p.m. So we'll just go to the hotel, and right now we're gonna try out Shenzhen food and see how it goes. Dinner.
一起的吗
Hello. 吃什么菜呀？
好小，湖北菜。
So we're up, we had breakfast. Today we're going to check out 2 companies. Basically we're checking out their systems. They're using a Japanese style of management. So we're going to show you guys what they do, how they manage their factories. I think it's supposed to be a Japanese company with like 2,000 employees. So follow me and let's check out the rest of the day. So we're in. Let's check out what the Ricoh factory has to offer. So we're in the warehouse right now. Peep the drip. Everything is so organized. Everything is so step by step. It's more or less, I think, a Japanese system that they use in the factory. And everything is just so organized. Everything is clean out here. So Ricoh is an office automation company, so they manufacture printers, projectors, you see. Okay, so we're done with company number 1. We're going to company number 2. 第二个公司叫什么？汪峰。Okay, company number 2. So we just got to the entrance of the second company. We're done. Checked out the 2 companies. The second one was a Projector Factory. So basically, they showed us their warehouse at a meeting. Basically, how they produce this projector, and how they get all the accessories and how they manage the systems at that company. So that's it, and we're done. We're heading to the train station and heading back. That's the end of the video, guys. Until next time.